What's up everybody, today I am going to teach you how you can create these racing chart videos for your YouTube channel, right? So as you can see here, these are some racing chart videos and many people are making a lot of money using these kind of videos, right? So one of the most popular channel in this niche is called as the Data is Beautiful. So this is the channel which is making a lot of money, which has 1.12 million subscribers, right? So I'll teach you how you can create these kind of videos for your YouTube channel, and you can make a lot of money using this type of videos. All right, so all you have to do in order to create this video is you need to go to the website called Flourish. It's flourish.studio. All right, once you go to the website, you can log in with your email ID, and once you log in, you will see the dashboard like this. So these are the some videos that I have created for myself. So if you want to create a new video, guys, you have to click on the new visualization tool. From here you will see a lot of different templates that you can use in order to create the video. So all this guy is using the template which is called as the image with captions, right? So you have to click on this option here. So once you click over here, you will see the dashboard will look like this. So as you can see here, this is the animation that this guy is using in his videos. So in order to create the video, all you need is the data. Once you click on the data section, you will see a chart or a table like this. So there is country name, region, image URL, and later on it's like from 1960 to up to it's like 2017. So all you have to do is to get the data. So I'll show you how to get the data as well. If you want to know how you can get the data, just comment down below. I will be creating a new video where you don't need to go to any other website in order to get the data, right? I will show you how you can create or get the data from these videos, right? As you can see here, how you can get the data from these videos. You can copy it very easily without getting any copyright strike. I'll show you how you can do that. If you want that video, you comment down below. I'll make a new video for that, right? So in order to like edit this video, as you can see here, these are some charts like US, China, India, and if you want to create if you want to make any changes, like it's a horizontal chart, if you want to make it vertical, you click on this, you'll see the changes over here, and there are many options you can choose from here, like bar color. If you want a red color, any type of color, you can choose it from here. Then labels, you can change it from here as well. Once you just need to spend 15 to 20 minutes on this editing portion. You will be able to edit any changes and make any changes according to yourself as per the requirement that you want in your video, right? So if you want to change the images, these are the images like India, these are the flags, Indian flags, USA, and you can change it from here by going over here, right? So that's it for the video, guys. If you want to make more changes, you can go here as a caption, control, axis, then animation tab. If you want the animation, you can make the changes from here, like how much animation you want. If you want to hide, if you want to show, everything you can change it from here, right? Here you can change the animation duration, like the time required to change this, or what we say, I don't know how to say this shit, but you can do it from here. Alright, from here. Then once you're done with this, all you have to do is just click on the export and publish section, right? But guys, you have to buy the subscription. But if you don't want to buy the subscription, all you have to do is just click on this section, view full preview in the window. Once you do that, the animation will be shown like this. So all you have to do is just get any of the screen recorder, or download the free screen recorder from Google or from anywhere else, and just record this section, like from here to here, and boom, you don't need to buy any subscription, right? You can do it very easily. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want to know how to get the data, I'll show you how to get the data as well without even getting a copyright strike from this guy. Literally you can replace all of these videos with your data, right? As you can see here, this guy is making a lot of money using this method. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any query, you can comment down below. I will be happy to help you. Thank you.